Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by clearing the bed. Remove pillows, blankets, and any items. Next, grab the fitted sheet and match each corner to the mattress corners. Pull the elastic fully under the mattress so it seats securely. Make sure the tag or fitted sheet seam is at the foot so alignment is consistent. Once done, smooth the sheet across the surface with open palms, working from center to edges to remove lumps and big wrinkles. This gives a stable base for the rest of the layers. You now place the flat sheet over the fitted base, aligning the top edge with the headboard and leaving equal overhang on both sides. To secure the foot, lift the mattress edge slightly and fold the sheet into a neat hospital corner. Tuck the hanging fabric firmly under the mattress so it lies flat. Once both corners are done, lay your blanket or duvet on top and center it. Smooth from the middle toward the sides to remove creases, ensuring even coverage left to right. You finish by slipping pillowcases onto pillows and fluffing them so they regain loft. Place them at the head with the open ends facing inward to look tidy and stay put. Fold any excess top sheet or turn down the duvet edge for a clean line. Make sure seams align and edges hang evenly. If sheets bunch or slip, retuck the hospital corners and tighten the fitted sheet or secure with sheet suspenders. If the mattress feels lumpy, rotate it and smooth layers again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.